Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of image in Instagram. So it's going viral in Instagram as there is a FIFA World Cup going on. So if you support any of the team, then you can create this type of image and your image will look exactly same. There will be no change in your face will look exactly same. So how to create this type of image, I will show you in my mobile screen. So open your ChatGPT and upload any of your face picture and paste the prompt. And after that, here you can see how the image is generated. It's exactly same, no change in the face. So this is for Argentina and this is for Brazil. So you just have to change the country name in the prompt and it will change the uniform as per the country you have changed in the prompt. So to get this prompt, you can visit my Telegram channel High Tech Talk, and here you can find the prompt which you can directly copy paste, or else you can visit to my Instagram profile and here you can comment as prompt. I will DM you instantly. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.